You're watching Flip TV, reliable news every hour. Now to today's top story. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has strongly rejected growing calls for negotiations with bandits, insisting that Nigeria must take decisive action and seek international support to confront rising insecurities across the country. Speaking at the Plateau State Unity Christmas Carol and Praise Festival in Jos, Obasanjo said the federal government must stop apologizing and negotiating with terrorists, especially as killings and abductions continue to escalate in the north. In recent weeks, bandits abducted 315 students and 13 teachers in Niger State, 26 schoolgirls in Kebbi, and 24 farmers, including pregnant women in Niger State Shiroro area. Over 20 more people were also kidnapped in Kwara and Kano. His comments came just a day after 38 church worshippers in Kwara were released following negotiations with the abductors. Obasanjo condemned the worsening situation, saying Nigerians have the right to seek foreign intervention if their government cannot protect them. According to him, modern technology, including drones, gives Nigeria the ability to locate and neutralize terrorists without negotiations. He questioned why the government is still apologizing and negotiating instead of taking firm action to end the crisis. You're watching Flip TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more verified news updates.